Hello friends, I am Swarani and I welcome you to Story Class Corner. Today I am going to show you how to make this whiteboard, which is very easy to make. Wait, I will show you how it works. I have written it with a whiteboard marker and now I will just erase it up. Done. So let's quickly see how to make. First you need to take a cardboard and a white sheet of paper. Now you need to stick the white sheet of paper to the cardboard with the help of a glue. Stick it properly from all sides. Now I will just put a whiteboard label. It is optional. If you want to put the label, you can put. Now you need to take a sellotape. Now you need to stick the sellotape all over the whiteboard. Now I have stuck the sellotape all over the whiteboard and our whiteboard is ready. Let's write on it. See, it's working so properly and it's also erasable. You can use this whiteboard in many ways: to solve maths, to draw pictures, and also write on it. This is a wonderful whiteboard which you can easily make at home and with the materials you have at home. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.